Hello everyone, welcome to our Cubase educational classes, and I am Mrs. Padwarkar here, and today I am going to take your geometry class of standard 10. Okay, and today I am going to tell you very simple tricks to remember trigonometric ratios. Okay, so for 9th standard and 10th standard our trigonometry chapter is there, and in that nearly 6 ratios are there for your studies. Okay, and these all 6 ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, then we have cot, sec and cosec, right? And there all the ratios about the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree, 90 degree. These all values of all these 6 ratios you are having for your study. Okay, so obviously as these values are more, so there will be a confusion to remember each and every value correctly. Okay, but today I will tell you a very simple trick to remember all these values here. Okay, so let us prepare this chart of these all ratios here. Okay, so just see here. So we are going to study these all ratios value. So first I will take the 3 ratios here, sine, then which we have cos, then we have tan. Okay, and values we are going to take 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, and then 90 degree. Okay, now how to remember? See, so just what you do, take the numbers right from 0 to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, understood? And now these numbers you have to divide by 4 here. Okay, means what you will get here, 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4, and here 4 divided by 4. Okay, so what values you will get here then? 0 divided by 0, 4 will be 0, 1 over 4 will remain as it is, and then 2 over 4 will be what? 1 over 2, that value. 3 over 4 will remain as it is, but 4 over 4 will become 1 here. Okay, now so first what we have done, we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, and to this number we have divided by 4 here. And now next step is that you have to take the square root of these numbers. So square root of 0 will be 0, square root of 1 over 4, so square root of 1 is 1, and square root of 4 is 2. Okay, and square root of 1 over 2 will be 1 over root 2, because square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is root 2. Same way now for 3 over 4, so square root of 3 is root 3, and square root of 4 will be 2, right? And square root of 1 will be only 1. So see children, in this way we got the ratios for sine. So that is sine 0's value is 0. Sine 30 degrees value is 1 over 2. Sine 45's value is 1 over root 2. Sine 60's value is root 3 over 2. Sine 90's value is 1. Okay. Now we have to find for cos. So to get the values for cos, just a very simple trick, that whatever values of sine are there, write these all value in a reverse order. Means the sine 90's value will go to cos 0, sine 60's value will go to cos 30, and sine 45 and cos 45 will have same value. And then sine 30's value will come to cos 60, and sine 0's value will come to cos 90. So these all value write in a reverse order, means this will come first here. Okay, so by taking in a reverse order, you will get 1, then you will get here root 3 over 2, then here you will get 1 over 2 only, then this 1 over here you will get root 2, and then 1 over 2, and then 0. Okay, and then we have to write the values for tan. Then we know that tan is nothing but sine upon cos. Means if we divide sine ratio by cos ratio, we get tan ratio, right? Means to get the values for tan, divide these values. So sine over cos. Then to get the tan 0, so sine 0 upon cos 0, that is 0 over 1. Same way here, sine 30 over cos 30, then sine 45 over cos 45, sine 60 over cos 60, sine 90 over cos 90. So you will get the values for tan. Okay, then sine 0 over 1, it will be always 0. 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. So 2 get cancel, and we get the value 1 over root 3. And 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2, it will be what? It will be 1. And root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So here also 2 get cancel, and we get the value root 3. And 1 divided by 0 now. We cannot divide any number by 0. So the answer will come at infinity. Okay. So see, in this way we got values for all these three ratios. Values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. So sine 90, this sine 0 will be 0. Cos 0 will be 1. And tan 0 will be 0. Same way for 30, for 45 you should check it here. Okay, very simple trick. What we did, we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have divided by 4, then whatever we got the quantity, its square root we have taken, and that values are nothing but values for sine raised. Then for cos, these all values we have written in a reverse order, and for tan we have divided sine over cos values. So in this way your table of the all trigonometric ratios is get completed. See, okay. And now again further are there cosec, sec and cot, right? Then we know the relation between sine and cosec. So cosec is just a reciprocal of sine, right? So according to that, take the inverse of these all values, you will get the values for cosec. Then we know that sec is the inverse of cos, so take all the inverse values for cos, then you will get the sec values. Same way cot is the inverse of tan, then take all the inverse values of tan, then you will get the values of cot here. Okay, so in this way for the remaining three ratios also you will get the values, and you will not get confused. Means even in exam if you forget any value, but if you know how to prepare this table, so you will get the exact value. Okay children, thank you.